Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to view your Outlook account sign in activity. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So maybe you want to see your activity to make sure it's only you that sign in, and also maybe you will find suspicious activities so you can evaluate it and find it and make sure your account is protected and secure. So first you can log into your Outlook account. I'm using website version, so you can go to outlook.com and sign in for your account. After that, you can go to your top right corner here to open your profile and then go to your My Microsoft account. You can click on it and then you will be redirected to your Microsoft account settings. And now you have to navigate to the left side bar here, click this one. Then you can go to security, click on it, and you have to verify that it's you, so you can put or sign in with a passkey or you know type your password. After that, in this page, as you can see, there is option to view my sign in activity, so you can just click on it. And also you have to verify that it's you. You can just send a code to your alternative emails, and after you get the code, you can input it. After that, you will find your sign in activity. As you can see, this is my activities, and you can review it, and you will find it's if there is a suspicious activities. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.